Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about the replace function in Python. So this functions is very cool if you want to replace some text. So let's get started by creating a sentence or a variable. Let's call text, which is going to be equal I like Python. Let's say Python 2. Okay, so I have this string and I could print text. Okay, and let's say that I want to replace 2 by 3. So to do that, it could be very troublesome, but thankfully, because Python has the replace function, which is a function that works on strings. So text is a string object, so I could call type text.replace, and I can replace some text. For instance, I'm going to replace Python 2, actually just the 2, the string 2, by a 3.6. So if I run this, I should see that I have two different strings. I like Python 2 and I like Python 3.6. Okay, so this was the video, guys. I hope you like it. See you guys next time.